Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to have a quick look at the Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine 4 is free now to download, so yeah, download yourself a copy. If you're not entirely familiar how Unreal Engine works, this should give you a pretty general idea how to get started. So let's get started. Okay, this is what you get when you first open Unreal Engine, and I have no projects here yet, so let's go new project. And in here you can select C++ or Blueprint. Now if you're insane you will select C++, but since we are not insane, we're going to select Blueprint because this allows us to create games without programming. Alright, so I'm going to select first person. Okay, and yeah, let's create the project. Let's call this one Sparkman. Waiting for this to load. This could take a while. Be patient.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so our template is open, and you can see that there are a few boxes here. So let's run this. Let's try it out. And you can shoot the boxes. Alright. I'm going to exit this, and I'm going to create a new level. Default. And now it's just blank. But if I run this, you'll notice that I can still shoot things, but it's kind of like a lone drop down there. Whoa, that's high. Alright, so let's create something in Unreal Engine. I'm going to make the play area a lot bigger, and let's move the start position somewhere back here. And so what we're going to create in this video, it's a trigger here and a light over here. So when we walk into the trigger, the light is going to come on. All right, so let's insert a light. Okay, and let's change the intensity to super high, and let's make this red just because we can. All right, let's insert a trigger here under volumes. Let's insert a trigger volume, and let's make this a lot bigger. Oops. All right, and that seems not too bad. So if you run this right now, you'll notice that nothing happens. The light is on. So let's turn the light off when the game first starts. Let's turn it off. Let's run this, and you notice that the light is off. Okay, so let's create a new blueprint. Open level blueprint, and I'm going to delete this here. Let me bring out the delete, and here you have the most common events. Okay, so start a frame or begin event, begin play, whatever. On the rendering we need a visibility. Okay, let me see, rendering. Let's toggle visibility. And we want to select our light, right click and insert a reference point to the light. Okay, so here is the start of the frame, and we connect it to toggle visibility. Okay, and here is the target we want to turn on. All right, let's try it out. You notice that the light is on now at the start of the frame. So let's delete this here, and let's do it based on this sensor. Okay, so I'm going to, while this selected, I'm going to right click, and let's call a collision. If the actor is overlapping the sensor, we're going to connect it to the visibility. Okay, So now we can't see it. If we touch the sensor, this will come on. All right. We can do this the other way around as well. While this is still selected under the blueprint, I'm going to right click, go to collision, and I'm going to select the opposite. Okay, if the actor is not overlapping that area. So I'm going to connect it to the visibility as well. So this will turn it off. Okay. It comes on. It goes off. All right. Now this here could be a door or anything. Okay, so we'll do that later. Okay, thanks for watching.